So we got a nice amount of snow outside and made me think, wish I had a sled or something to play around with it in, remote control vehicle, so decided to do a take two on my silly little airboat idea. I had taken like a shoebox or some cardboard or something and just used a regular Betaflight flight controller and attached it to it and was using that. So today I took a few little bottles, hot glued them together with this wooden frame we had made, and I'm gonna try to just attach this little project helicopter that really wasn't working out for me. So now what I've done is I built up the mast a little bit, give it a little bit of support for, well, it felt a little bit wobbly. So we'll see if that does anything. I guess if it don't break, then I'll call myself right. Yeah, it's glued on there. I'm still waiting for the glue to dry. Yeah, I forgot that I was going to try to angle it down a little bit. Because I figured to keep it from pushing the nose into the ground a little bit, it would have been nice to have it angled down, but I forgot. Anyway, we'll see how it works. We got the propellers on there in reverse direction. Yeah, I haven't actually changed any of the settings in Betaflight yet. I've put a little dab of hot glue. Stick my receiver there, secured in place, and then some Velcro sticky hook and loop stuff, just a little piece of Velcro on the battery, try to keep it in place. I've hooked up the Betaflight and turned the accelerometer off, so that way Betaflight doesn't know if it's level or not. It won't care, so it'll let me arm it. Plug it in and I'll see if the fans are going in the direction I think they will to make it be able to turn. Alright. That lets me arm it. Definitely all pointing this way. Looks like it. I'm using the roll channel to turn. Betaflight got a little concerned there. Alright. Alright. See how badly I can wreck it. Well, we gotta figure something else out. I took the flight controller and Betaflight configurator and I told it was rotated in yaw 180 degrees. So the yaw is 180 degrees. Because this is acting like it's a push configuration. So the way everything's positioned on there, the flight controller would actually be upside down, which would be, I probably could have taken the roll, or I mean the pitch to 180 degrees. I would have got the same result. I don't know, this might freak out a little bit. Nothing looks better than the cardboard one did. You get tours in the Everglades.